Good morning and Jain students. I am Nutan Gupta sending the video of the Microsoft PowerPoint. This is the computer chapter of class 4th. First we will discuss a recap. Presentation is a collection of slides arranged in the systematic order that displays information along with the graphics, sound and animation. Presentation is a collection. Whatever we have prepared by the PPT, these are all the presentation collection of slides, and we have to arrange in all the slides in systematic order and displays information along with the graphics, sound and animation. We have to give the some sound and animation in this presentation. Now second point is, a slide is like a page of the PowerPoint presentation that displays some information related to the topic. We have to write something about the slides, whatever we are going to present by the PowerPoint presentation. Now third one is, the slide tab show the thumbnail version of each slide shown by the slide pane. Whatever we have done in the slides, we have to change the slide by the slides by the slide tab and show the thumbnail version of each slide shows in the slide pane. Now point fourth, Microsoft Point 2010 saves a file with an extension PPT. Whatever you prepare the file, you have to save in the all the PPTs by in the extension .ppt tx pptxt tx sorry tx dot. Now we can press F5 to view the slideshow, and when we have we have to ready to for the presentation, then we have to press the F5. Now we will discuss fill in the blanks. First sentence, a presentation is a collection of dash arranged in the systematic order. What is the answer? Collection of slides. Now second is, a presentation is a widely used to present dash and dash effectively. Yes. A presentation is widely used to present views and ideas effectively. To open PowerPoint file, click on the dash button on the quick access bar. Open button on the quick access bar. Now sentence number 4. To run a slideshow, you can press the F5 key. In now sentence number 5. In PowerPoint 2010, the file are saved in extension .pptx. Now state true or false. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software program. Yes, it is the true. Now second is, outline tabs is used to set the desired layout of the active slide. Yes, this is the false. You can save your presentation using Ctrl S key combination. Yes, Ctrl S means saving. You can save. True. To close PowerPoint application, click on the File tab and Close option. False. Now fifth is, a shortcut of the insert a new slide is Control N key combination. No, this is the false. Thank you.